the LG V20 user here, and today I'm doing a video on the iPhone 11 Pro for Verizon Prepaid. So the iPhone 11 Pro is now here at Verizon Prepaid. It's finally here. So the iPhone 11 Pro, there it is right there. Nice looking phone. It's available, and y'all guys will see 4 colors here, but it's available in 5 colors. Y'all guys have silver, gold, space gray, and midnight green, and I think it's available in black as well. So you have 3 storage options to choose from: 64 gigs, $999.99, 256 gigs, $1149.99, 512 gigs, $1349.99. So there's the phone right there, front and back. You also have your volume keys and your switcher on the left, power button on the right. Nuts there, blending with the wallpaper there. Nice looking wallpaper, camera and stuff like that there. There's the back of it with your triple camera system there, all 12 megapixels I believe. Camera flash and stuff like that. There's the front. There's the back of it with water. It is water resistance. There's the back of it there. You guys see 5 colors. Available in black. I think it's available in black. Maybe, I'm not so sure. We'll see. There's the back of it there. You guys have Apple logo, triple camera system, and your camera flash there on back. So it says here, introducing the iPhone 11 Pro, a transformative triple camera system that adds tons of capability without complexity, an unprecedented leap in battery life, and a mind-blowing chip that doubles down on machine learning and pushes the boundaries of what a smartphone can do. Welcome to the first iPhone powerful enough to be called Pro. Unleash the full potential of your iPhone 11 Pro with Verizon, America's most awarded network. So the iPhone 11 Pro has 16 hours usage time, triple camera, which is 12 megapixels on all 3 cameras on back, 2.18 inches in width, and 5.67 inches in height. There, Pro camera system there. Meet the first triple camera system to combine cutting-edge technology with the legendary simplicity of iPhone. Capture up to 4 times more scene, get beautiful images and drastically lower light, shoot the highest quality video in a smartphone, then edit. Expanded field of view. iPhone 11 Pro lets you zoom from the telephoto all the way to the new ultra-wide camera for an impressive 4 times optical zoom range. Elegant, immersive interface. We leverage the wide field of view to let you see what's happening outside the image frame, and simply tap to capture it, and there's almost nothing between you and your subject except a new Pro camera front, so you always fully immersive in the scene. Take it all in. When you just can't squeeze everything into the frame, zoom out, because the new ultra-wide camera captures 4 times more scene than ever. It's like stepping back, way back, without taking a step. Bring on those mountain ranges, soaring cathedrals, and iconic skylines. High tech meets low light. From dimly lit restaurants to moonlit beaches, the new night mode uses intelligent software in A13 Bionic to deliver low light shots never before possible on iPhone, and it all happens automatically. You can also experiment with manual controls to dial in even more details and less noise. Power to the portrait. With 3 cameras working together, you can fit more in your portraits than ever. iOS 13 adds the high key low mono effect. Jesus fucking Christ, what a fucking name, dude. God damn. Effect for studio style monochromes, and portrait lighting lets you control the intensity of light to flatter your subject just like you would in the studio. How beautiful is that? Well, they got a fucking long name for that. High key light mono. Jesus fucking Christ. God damn. Smart HDR. Next generation Smart HDR uses advanced algorithms to finesse highlight and shadow detail in the image, and now it leverages machine learning to recognize faces in your shot and intelligently relight them. That means iPhone 11 Pro can automatically fine-tune detail in both the subject and the background. Even some DSLR cameras can do that. Turn your photo up into a video up. Say you're taking photos and you see something you got to catch on video. With Quick Take, there's no need to switch modes. Just leave your finger on the shutter to start recording. Want to keep recording going? Want to keep the recording going? Swipe right to take the burst photos. Swipe left. If you want to keep the recording going, swipe right. If you want to take burst photos, swipe left. Why selfie when you can selfie? God damn, what a fucking name, dude. So basically, a slow motion selfie is basically what that means. The new 12 megapixel true depth camera lets you take super fun slow motion selfie videos at 120 frames per second, or shoot in 4K at 60 frames. That's on the front facing camera, guys. 4K at 60 frames. That's a win. For stills, the camera now automatically zooms out when you rotate your iPhone, so you can get your whole crew in the shot. Yes, even selfies can be pro. Pro display. The 5.8 inch Super Retina XDR display boasts not one but 2 new peaks of brightness and understands when to use them. It hits up to 800 nits when you're out in the sun. Great for shooting and making selects on the go, and up to 1200 nits when you're viewing extreme dynamic range content. It's like having a Pro Display XDR on your iPhone. Pro Performance. The custom-built A13 Bionic with a focus on machine learning across the entire chip, enabling experiences that simply aren't found on any other smartphone. In fact, it's so fast, so powerful, and so intelligent, it's years ahead of any other chip. What gives you an unfair advantage? Can you be more precise? Damn right we can. The new Apple design U1 chip uses ultra wideband technology for spectacle awareness, allowing iPhone 11 Pro to precisely locate other U1 equipped Apple devices. It's like adding another sense to iPhone, and it's going to lead to amazing new capabilities. So that's really cool. Spec on the iPhone 11 Pro has LTE Advanced, which has 50% faster peak speeds and more than 450 cities from coast to coast. So what device are you guys can use in over 200 countries? 26. That's supposed to be like 26 hours. I think it's supposed to be 26 hours of usage time. 12 megapixel cameras, 6.63 ounces, 2.18 inches in width, 5.67 inches in height, 0.32 inches depth, 5.8 inch OLED display, iOS 13, gold, silver, space gray, midnight green. So it might be full color here, so it might not be available in black, it might not be. But I think it is available in black though. I don't know why black's not on here. 3 storage options, 64 gigs, 256 gigs, or 512 gigs. You have 802.11 AX Wi-Fi, and you have HC voice, which lets you experience HC voice and simultaneous voice and data. Enable Wi-Fi calling and make calls anywhere you have a Wi-Fi connection. So there you have it. So if you guys need help with your iPhone 11 Pro, Verizon is here to help you out with that with device support. So check that out if you guys need help setting up Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and stuff like that. Device support is a great tool to check out. So what you guys get in the box is your standard iPhone. So you guys get the iPhone 11 Pro with iOS 13. Y'all guys get AirPods with Lightning connector, USB-C to Lightning cable, 18-watt USB-C power adapter, but you will get fast charging on this phone because the 18-watt power adapter is included with the iPhone 11 Pro and Pro Max. And you get your documentation and stuff like that. So there you guys have it, iPhone 11 Pro, now available at Verizon Prepaid. 3 storage options, 64 gigs, $999.99. 256 gigs, $1149.99, or 512 gigs, $1349.99. So there you have it. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It really helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.